Throws it to nobody. Him and his dang twin brother right there, like they just got that connection. I swear, every time. Ooh, quickly, the Heroes defense. I think it's 2-1.
14 seconds.
Unless, is it tied up? I think it's tied. Oh damn, the Heroes got offense again. Throws it up again.